Yellow Submarine!
Oh yeah, I've heard it, but I hate it. That used to be one of my favorite songs when I was little. Yeah.
So, there's one important part about the song you must remember. After he goes, we all live in the Yellow Submarine, it's very important that you go, a what?
Wait, what?
Kind of like your little John. You'll catch on. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. In the town where I was born, there's a man who sailed the sea, and he told us of his life. In the land, the submarine. We all live in the Yellow Submarine. A what? Yellow Submarine. A what? Yellow Submarine. Okay, we all live in the Yellow Submarine. A what? A Yellow Submarine. A what? A Yellow Submarine. So we sail the shore of fun till we find the sea of green, and we live beneath the waves in our Yellow Submarine. We all live in the Yellow Submarine. A what? A Yellow Submarine. A what? A Yellow Submarine. Okay, we all live in the Yellow Submarine. A what? A Yellow Submarine. A what? A Yellow Submarine. And our friends are all aboard. Many more than listening for, and the band begins to play. Hey! We all live in a Yellow Submarine. A what? A Yellow Submarine. A what? A Yellow Submarine. Okay. We all live in a Yellow Submarine. A what? A Yellow Submarine. A what? A Yellow Submarine. Every one of us is all we need.
All we need.
Sky is blue and sea is green. In the Yellow Submarine. That's right. We all live in the Yellow Submarine. A what? A Yellow Submarine. A what? A Yellow Submarine. A what? We all live in the Yellow Submarine. A what? A Yellow Submarine. A what? A Yellow
I still don't get it. I know either.
No, Elaine! Or do you want to just wait?
I still don't get what we're talking about.